Hey everybody, Jenny with Crawlander here. Today we are going to do an install. Maker Off-Road center console hanging box. They will be hanging right here on both sides. Here is where it hangs, and it's going to remove the screw. Normally everybody's got one of these. I just popped it out with a screwdriver. For the stickers, I'm going to just stick one here and here. If I stick here and here, it just kind of misses the sides. We're going to remove the backing of the sticker. Alright, so we've done both sides. Overall, this is what it's going to look like on both sides. Use it for storage. Put our handhelds in there. If you want, put your phone or anything else. If you find this useful, let us know in the comments. That way we can make more videos like this if you want. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.